Welcome everyone to break 109 for the 2017 Hit Parade Gold Signature Edition. Appreciate all of you getting in. As always, we want to check the current date and time according to eBay. Today is Sunday, May 6th. It is currently 12:19 p.m. Eastern Time and 9:19 a.m. Pacific. Let's see what we have on the break today. We have Kirchhoff 1946 with 2 spots, Jay Costell 9 with 3, Will Chow 2 spots, half 155 you have 14, Doe TV 4133 you have 3, Golfer 0724 you have 1, Skyly Adams 60 you have 2, Amanus 8585 you have 2, Cart Todd you have 1, and Joseph Park 17 you have 2 spots. So I will take all of you over to random.org. We'll randomize 5 times. After the 5th time, that'll determine your team for the break. Kara's on top and Joseph on the bottom. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and our list for the break. Half on top and bottom. Make this a little bigger. Make sure we're all filled in here. Half here on the bottom. And on top. So half you have the Cardinals, Falcons, and Ravens. Joseph, you have the Bills. Half you have the Panthers, Cart Todd you have the Bears, half you have the Bengals, Will Browns, Doe TV Cowboys, half 1 Broncos, Sky you have the Lions, half 1 Packers and Texans, and Manus you have the Colts, Kier you have the Jaguars, Jay Costell you have the Chiefs, half 1 Dolphins, Joseph you have the Vikings, Kier you have the Patriots, Doe TV Saints, half 1 you have the Giants and Jets. Will you have the Raiders. Half 1 Eagles. Sky you have the Steelers. Golfer Chargers. Jay Costell you have the 49ers. Half 1 Seahawks. Amanus Rams. Doe TV Buccaneers. Jay Costell you have the Titans. And last but not least, half 1 you have the Redskins. Go back through the list one more time before we switch over to the box. Alright, so here we are, all sealed up. So we have one nice auto coming up. So good luck to everybody. Let's move this down. Hope everyone's having a nice weekend. It's been real nice up here in the Northeast. Alright. All empty. And we have ourselves a Denver Broncos John Elway playoff contenders Super Bowl tickets. Very nice. Let's see what we got here. John Elway, Denver Broncos, Super Bowl 33. So this will go to the Denver Broncos. Super Bowl tickets. John Elway. So Denver Broncos. will go to Denver Broncos, half 155. Congratulations. Got yourself a nice John Elway Denver Broncos autograph. John Elway, number 7 up there. Thank you guys for getting in. Really appreciate it. If you haven't already and would like to, feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you're alerted when we're going live and of all the past breaks. We also have an Instagram, P2J Sports Cards, where we post all of our breaks on there. Also have an eBay store, P2J Sports Cards. Check out all the cool stuff we have there. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know. And hope you guys have a great rest of your Sunday.